All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this laundry basket. This is 100-liter capacity, guard against splash water. It's foldable, stay away from knives. It's not washable and keep away from fire. This is the Air 101U, nothing really around the sides of the box. The back just has more of those specs. So the brand, the name, the height, the weight, etc. So let's open this up, take a look at it. And look at that. Very nice. Wow. And that's it for the box. I think that's it for the unboxing. Let me put this together and just show you what it looks like. All right, so now that we have this out, you can see bag and these little poles that go together, kind of like a tent. So we'll throw this together and this is what it looks like. So this did have a nice instruction set that was very, very easy to follow. And this is what it looks like all put together. It is very light. I love how light it is. And what's really great about it is the bag is designed to just Velcro in place. So your clothes go into this bag and then you just take this bag out of the laundry basket so you don't have to move the whole basket. Ingenious. As for putting it together, you just unfolded the 4 poles and slid them down the side and those Velcroed in as well. At the end of the day, a very, very nice new laundry basket. So out with our old one, this is our old laundry basket, and in with our nice new laundry basket. Again, thanks to the company for sending this to me to unbox and demonstrate to you. 2 massive thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.